another Epicflows production.
That's all right.
Excuse me?
I caught you.
I don't know you.
When I walked in, you moved your back.
Please, I don't want any trouble.
I'm not.
Because if you're causing trouble, I can notify someone.
I wasn't.
Okay then.
Do I make you nervous?
I don't even know you.
It doesn't matter. I can still make you nervous.
Look, I was in the middle of something if you don't mind.
So why do you move your back?
I was getting some gum.
Can I have a piece?
It's juicy fruit.
My favorite.
I only have a stick.
Can I have that?
Why are you bothering me?
Okay. So I don't make you nervous, but I'm bothering you.
Look, I'm just not in the mood for conversation.
But I think it's something else.
If you say so.
When I walk through that door, you talk murderer, rapist, purse snatcher.
I thought no such thing.
So why'd you move your purse?
I was being polite, making room. I do that for anyone.
I don't buy it.
It doesn't concern me whether you buy it or not. That's the reason.
Look, there are 5 empty seats in here that I could sit in.
Alright. You caught me.
Unless you want me to sit next to you, of course.
You sit where you like.
No, this one's too hard. Whew. Yeah, I don't like the feeling of this one. Damn uncomfortable. Man, this chair, maybe I should try your chair. How about I sit in your Hey, I was only joking.
Will you leave me alone?
I didn't feel alone. I didn't even sit all the way over here if that make you comfortable. So why are you here?
Why are you here?
Well, I'm here to see my parole officer.
Nice.
Does that bother you?
And you wondered why I moved my purse?
But when I came here, you didn't know I was coming to see my parole officer. You just saw me and assumed I was a criminal.
I follow my instincts. When the fights and fly kicks in, you should listen to that. You telling me you're a criminal was exactly what my gut feeling told me.
So you moved your purse?
Right.
Whoa, you knew, huh? I guess I can't go anywhere anymore. That must be why people cross the streets when they see me coming. It's just like bad odor. You see, nobody ever tells you you have bad odor until you reach home and realize you forgot to put on deodorant, and then you wonder why the hell nobody's been talking to you. You know what? Thank you. Thank you for letting me know that you can actually see or feel through your instinctual feelings that is criminal written all over my face.
I'm sure if you dressed a little better, that might help too.
Maybe keep down a few bucks and buy a nice suit or something, right?
Clean yourself up a little.
Really help me out, huh? So what's your name?
Why do you want to know my name?
Well, I can't tell all my comedy friends that some nice lady helped me out. I like to tie a name in your face.
I don't think you need to know my name.
Come on.
If I tell you my name, you leave me alone?
Cross my heart.
Sheila.
What?
That's my name, Sheila.
Okay, so you know it's a sin or lie, right?
I know that.
So you okay with being a lie?
Who said I was lying?
But you won't look like a Sheila. A Sheila's a young, beautiful woman's name.
Thank you.
No. Don't get it twisted, but you ain't no Sheila.
You get your name at birth, you keep it till you're older. Even a beautiful young woman called Sheila eventually grows old.
They don't grow up to look like you.
How can you tell what a person should be called or not?
Well, you said I look like a criminal.
I did not.
Did you or did you not say that when I walked through that door that you had gut feeling That instinctual feeling that I was a criminal. You were right, weren't you?
Let's just let it go, okay?
Sheila. Hey Sheila, that's your name, isn't it?
Yes.
For a minute there, I thought you forgot.
What is it?
Well, I wasn't exactly truthful with you a minute ago.
Really?
Yeah. I'm not here to see my parole officer.
That's nice.
I don't even have a record. Yet I look like a criminal.
Well, what was I supposed to think?
Why?
Why what?
Why did you assume I was a criminal? Was it because of this?
Your hand?
No. Closer. What do you see?
I don't see anything.
It's as simple as that. You're white and I'm black.
I haven't seen anyone at that counter in a while. They told me to wait.
This is messed up. It's always like the government. They keep you waiting as long as they want until you done something wrong and they go up their ass to the microscope. And I can't be waiting here all day. I got stuff to do.
It's probably best you sit quietly and wait.
And I'm here on my lunch hour, man. I can't go back to work late. That out my ass. Hey, is anybody there?
So, where do you work?
Excuse me?
Your job, where do you have to go?
Oh, I got a job now, so it's okay to talk to me, right?
I was just wondering how far you had to walk.
Walk? I drove myself here. Jesus Christ, lady, we live have cost too. You make me not nice ones like you folks, but at least you can get me from point A to point B. And I bought that with my hard-earned working man's money.
I didn't mean...
What? You didn't mean what? Don't tell me you didn't mean. I may be like 45 years younger than you, but I ain't stupid. I know what you meant.
Please, don't be so sensitive, but
What? Am I making assumptions about what you just said? Am I misinterpreting you? Did I make assumptions about what you just said?
Yes!
Now you know exactly how it feels.
I don't know what you're trying to prove here.
Look, lady, I made assumptions about you just like you made assumptions about me when I walked through that door. Look, I'm not trying to change the way you think. I'm just telling you what it goes. You can't tell me that if I was an elderly white woman sitting next to you, that you would be exchanging recipes or complaining about y'all outrageous or whatever the hell y'all do. You certainly would have jumped out your seat like you did when I walked in here.
Would it make you happy if I shared my recipe for us?
Man.
You know, no one has that recipe, not even my sister.
Okay.
The key is in the marinade.
Yeah.
You say that is what we do, so I'm following through with it.
I'm just saying you would be so tight if I was someone different.
Uptight? The reason I'm uptight has nothing to do with you.
Look, don't bother apologizing for who you are. You ain't got to trust that I'm not going to take something of yours. If that's what you believe, then that's the way it goes.
I don't trust anyone at this moment. Somewhere between here and 13th Street, I misplaced my wallet. I had a lot of money in it. Not to mention pictures of my grandchildren and my driver's license. I don't even care about the money, but the fact that someone out there has stolen my identity is not too comforting to me. I came here to report it. I don't know why I'm wasting my time. Wasted half my day coming to the station in hopes that there's one honest person in this world.
I'm sure someone will
I'm
find it.
sure someone has found it. Had a fine time maxing out my gold cards. I don't even know why I'm wasting my time.
Hey Sheila, how about you wait a few more minutes? I'm sure if we make enough noise, someone will come and help us out.
May I tell you something?
Sure. What is it?
You caught me.
I mean, no sweat, I didn't know.
My name? It isn't Sheila.
What do you know? You had me convinced.
Don't be funny. I Actually, it's...
Marge.
What? How?
Well, you just look like a Marge to me.
I'm good at that.
And also, it says so on your driver's license.
You?
I tried calling.
Where?
I tried calling. No one would answer. You can search it. I wouldn't take none.
Come here.
A lady that found it like that, I won't take none.
This is my granddaughter. This is Sheila.
Oh, she's pretty. Have to see the resemblance.
Well, no use wasting more time here. You need to get back to work. You should probably cross your names off that list. Don't want any government worker working too hard.
I need something to do. Hey Sheila, you forgot your...
Oh dear.